have our Newfoundland rider here. The second green Kawasaki in the middle there. That is Andre Brown out of Newfoundland in only his second freestyle motocross demonstration. The other Kawasaki, Christian Martinez. He is out of Montreal, Quebec. And one of the top freestyle motocross riders in Canada. He is wild.
I got you.
333, that is.
Wait, can I get the bike? Wait.
Yeah,
you win.
Let's make some noise and push these guys up. We gotta get really I can't hear you guys.
Right, but we... Oh yeah!
All right. Looks like the motorcycles are warmed up. They're going to take a look at that landing ramp one more time. A little bit of a punch in the side there. Just making sure it is inflated to their liking. 75 feet is the gap, and they will be 40 feet in the air.
Whoa! Okay.
The louder you get, the wilder they will get. When they hit the launch ramp, that's when you guys cheer.
You got it. Dude, you made that. Oh, here we go. Hey!
Andre Brown, 40 feet in the air. There's good push on the triple green on the white bike. This is just a bit of a warm-up for you.
That's a warm-up.
We want to make some noise and get these riders excited. This is cool.
Yeah.
Do you guys want more freestyle? Here we go. Good cut on the job. With a heel flicker. Look at his heel over the handlebar. Andre Brown out of Newfoundland setting his gap. You guys want these riders to go bigger?
Yeah! Ooh!
Almost going for a Superman there. He was going to grab the seat. Elected not to. It's a little breezy down here. No footed jams for good work. Nice job. There's a heel flicker from the Newfoundland boy. Andre Brown doing a good job. His first event was last weekend in Halifax at Scotia Speedway.
Yeah, that's a drone.
He hit his head on handlebars.
That's cool. Here he goes, and... Ooh, he stood!
Looking for the grip holder there. That's when they hooked their feet under the handlebars and stand up. Oh, that could have been another one from Dirk Kurt. That wind must be knocking them a little bit up in the air. Watch what it can. Let's make some noise and wave your flag. I can hear you guys out there. Beautiful. That is the Superman seat grab in the air. That is a combination trick. Here's Dirk Kurt. What's he got?
Oh! Kicked it.
Looks like a shot. Nice looking whip from the Newfoundland rider. Do you guys want more?
Oh my god.
That is not an easy thing to do.
It's Sandstorm, baby.
Christian Martinez.
Ooh.
He's there for Dirk Kurt. Airing it out.
Oh my.
All right, we have Christian Martinez from Montreal, Quebec. Well, you've hit the ramps. How you guys feeling out there? Yeah, we're starting to get warmed up, but I feel like you guys can make a little more noise. Oh, I think they can. Now, you guys operate on pure adrenaline. I told them when you hit the bottom of the ramp, that's when you want to hear them cheer. Is that about right? Oh yeah, when we're in the air, we want to hear you guys cheer.
Okay, we gotta get
like
this
I said
time.
earlier, we gotta be smart about this, and we're pilots, right? We're flying 40 feet in the air. We're dealing with a heavy headwind right now, so we gotta hit the ramp a little bit harder. Starts to make it across. All right, Christian Martinez. Freestyle motocrossers back on the course. Again, he wants to hear some noise, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make some noise once again. Freestyle motocross time here in Newfoundland. Nice Indy there. That is called an Indy Air. Looking for a heart attack. Straight up over the seat. That's a heart attack. Nice job. These guys are at it. Andre Brown sails through the air. No footer for George Bird out of Ontario. It is freestyle motocross time.
No, what the?
That's what it looks like they're laying on the couch. Andre Brown going huge with the whip. But a great lazy boy from Christian Martinez out of Montreal.
Oh.
Barha. That's the Shaolin Barha. Here we go. Martinez once again out of Montreal. What do you think of that?
Hell no! Oh, hell no!
What a great job so far. There is a heavy headwind here. Nice go for the down. It is not easy jumping in these conditions. If you hold your flag up, that'll tell you what the wind's
Girl,
like
what
right
drugs
now.
are is he smoking?
All right, it's time for the freestyle motocross train. What you gotta do is pump your fists like that, show the riders that you want to see the freestyle motocross train. Let's see it, Newfoundland. Freestyle motocross train coming right now. Here we go.
Oh!
Superman. I can hear you out there.
Listen.
I don't think they can hear you. Do you guys want to see more Newfoundland?
Yeah! I
Who wants to see the train? Pump your fists. I want to see everybody.
Look at this. Oh, here we go. Oh!
These riders are wild.
The drone is in the sky.
Yeah.
I think this is on TV.
Now we get to see it in real life, man.
I still am the hot dog.
Who's ready for more? Let's make some noise when they hit the bottom of that ramp. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, here we go.
Oh!
Yeah.
He did another flip, man. Like,
Hey, we gotta start making some noise. Now, we're gonna try something here, Christian. I wanna see one more jump, and I wanna make some noise for you, but we gotta ask the crowd if they wanna see another one. What do you gotta say to them? You guys wanna see one more jump?
yes! That's what I'm talking about.
Do you wanna see one more jump?
Yeah!
Time for freestyle motocross. Nice job, Newfoundland. They're gonna jump another
I'm
time.
saying that they're doing triple flip.
Yeah. I mean, that's kind of hard to do, you know?
No, all three of them do a flip.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I say
That would
all-
be sick.
I say all three of them are gonna do a flip.
I wish I could whistle.
One more hit. Let's make some noise when they
That's
hit
the best I
that
can
low
whistle.
track.
Yeah, come on!
Yeah.
No, we did a flip.
Sailing through the air. How about it one more time, ladies and gentlemen? A great job. That is freestyle motocross.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
All right. Well, that is freestyle motocross, and what a great job our athletes have done. They train very hard for that. Many of them start out as motocross racers and graduate to freestyle motocross later on in their careers.
I have no idea.